This is actually so good. Mm.
Luluto daw siya ng bacon. Kaso ganyan. Ayaw niya daw matalsikan kasi siya naman tika. Nanaaway ba yung alam sabi? Kasi dapat you have to remove the oil kasi.
Towel back. I don't know what the name is.
Ah.
But protects me with the arm you're using to flip stuff that has oil. Protects you from the burns. And if there's a towel to it.
Okay. Pero daw siya magluto ng bacon. Tikman natin yung niluto ni PBB na bacon.